Hello everyone, this is Mahima here to explain my 8th experiment in Database Systems Lab to create functions and procedures to manage the tables in a database. Procedures or functions are basically like storage spaces where we can store some kind of instructions or rules that you want to set in order to manage the tables. So, in this experiment, first of all, we are supposed to create a procedure that displays the name and the course ID of the students, where the course ID is passed as the parameter. So, over here, first of all, I have created a procedure. The syntax is create or replace procedure followed by the procedure name, and within the parenthesis we pass the course ID followed by its data type. In is another keyword to specify our data type. So if is a keyword to specify that this is our procedure. So here I have given a variable name, which is nothing but the first name of the inquiry table, and then I have begun my procedure in this way, in which I have passed my query as select the fname into name from the inquiry where the course code matches with the CID, and then I give my output as the name is the name variable which we have taken over here. So when I try to pass the course code as 20, then I get the name as name is Sachin, who is studying the course having course code 20. Now, for the next one, we are supposed to create a stored procedure which takes enrollment date and course ID as the input, and then the procedure must display the duration of the course and the end date of the course. For that, I have created my procedure F2 and I have passed the date and the course ID as the input. And then here I have passed my value of the duration into num, and I have passed the starting date into edate, and then I have begun, in which as you can see I have given my query as select duration into num from batch table, and where the course code matches with the e number that we had passed as the parameter. In the similar way, the starting date is also given where the course code checks for the e number. So I get my output as duration is the num value we would have passed here, and the starting date is the e date we would have passed. So on passing the date and the course code, I get my output as the duration is 30 and the starting date is 1st Jan. For the next one, we are supposed to create a procedure that deletes the student's records whose roll number is passed to it. If such a roll number is not existing, then we have to raise an exception, which is no data found. So here I have created my procedure and I have passed the roll number as my parameter, and then my procedure mainly consists of the query delete from the enrollment table where the roll number matches with the roll value, and if not, I need to pass the exception where the application error must be raised as given data is not present. So on giving these values as my roll number, I see that my procedure is successfully completed as these roll numbers exist. Now for the next one, we are supposed to create a function to display the course fees with the given course code. So here I have created my function and I have passed the fee as the parameter. So as what we have done in procedure, here we have given the query as select the course fees into fees, which we had passed here from the tables batch and course, and where the course code corresponds to the fee and the roll num is equal to the value of 1. So here when I pass these values, I see that I have passed the value course code as 10. So I get my output based on the course code as 4000. For the next one, we are supposed to create a function which counts the total courses having amount more than 5000. For that I have created my function f5, and I have returned the number as number with 2, and I have begun with, here my query is select count of the course code, which means I am counting the courses based on the course code, and I am storing it into num value from the table course, and then I have given my condition as the amount is equal to 5000. On doing so, I get my output in this way, that the number of course whose amount is 5000 is 1. Now for the last question, we are supposed to create a function which displays the student details when roll number is given. So here I have passed roll number as my parameter, and then I have given the query as select the F name into NF, which we have provided here from the inquiry table and the enrollment table, and I have checked my condition that the inquiry number is equal to the roll that we have passed over here, and then the roll number is equal to 1. Then on passing my values to the function, I have given the value as this, and so I get my output as F name is Anil, because Anil is the person having the inquiry number as this. So that's all for my experiment. Thank you for watching.